In this problem, it says suppose that after 6 quizzes we have a mean score of 80 out of a possible 100 points. If you get a score of 90 on the next quiz, what is your new mean? Well, if we have a mean of 80, then that means we added up all of our scores and we divided by 6 because we had 6 quizzes and the result was 80. So in order for that to happen, we had to have 6 times 8 or 400 or 6 times 80, 480 points to get that average of 80 with 6 quizzes. So if we get a score of 90 on the 7th quiz, then we take that total points we have so far plus the 90, and now we have 7 quizzes. So we're going to divide 570, the total number of points, by 7 for an average of 81.4, and we're rounding to the nearest tenths because our scores are given to the nearest integer. And the next part of the problem says, what is the maximum mean score that you could have? Well, it tells us that the quizzes are worth 100 points. So the best I could possibly do on quiz 7 is 100. So I add that to my previous 480 points and divide by 7. So that gives me 580 divided by 7, which gives me a new mean of 82.9. That's the best I can do out of the 7 quizzes if I have an 80 average up to that point. And then the last part is what is the minimum mean score that you could have after that next quiz? Well, the worst possible thing I could do on quiz 7 is nothing. So if we put in a 0 there and we divide 480 by 7, then my worst possible scenario would be to have a 68.6 quiz average after that last quiz.